Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Raquel Welch Wig Hairpiece, Advanced French Style, model ss1422 by Hairuwear. This piece is designed with a sheer lace front stretching from temple to temple, which promises that seamless off-the-face styling we all love. It also features an open-wefted top for better airflow, ultra-thin adjustable straps at the nape, and a silicone-coated stretch lace that's meant to mold perfectly to your head for a custom fit. Plus, it's crafted to suit a variety of face shapes, including oval, round, square, diamond, heart, and pear. So let's see how it performs in real life. Right out of the box, the craftsmanship is impressive. The lace front is incredibly fine and soft, definitely the kind of quality you expect from a brand like Raquel Welch. It's clear they've prioritized comfort and natural appearance. The open-wefted design really does make a noticeable difference in breathability. Wearing it felt cooler and less restrictive than some other wigs I've tried, which can get a bit suffocating, especially if you're wearing it all day. Adjusting the fit is straightforward, thanks to those ultra-thin straps at the nape. They're discreet but effective, allowing you to tighten or loosen the wig without much hassle. The silicone-coated stretch lace is another standout. It hugs the scalp without feeling tight or itchy, and it definitely contributes to that custom-like fit they advertise. I was able to style the wig off my face effortlessly, and the lace front gave a very natural hairline appearance. No telltale signs of wig wear, which is a huge plus if you want to avoid the wig look. In terms of everyday use, this wig holds up nicely. The fibers have a natural sheen, and the cut is versatile enough for different styling options. Whether you want to wear it casually or glam it up for an event, it adapts well. However, I did notice that because of the fine lace, you need to handle it with care when putting it on or taking it off, to avoid any tearing or stretching over time. So, durability-wise, while the build quality is solid, delicate handling is essential to maintain its longevity. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the lace front and silicone stretch lace offer a realistic and comfortable fit that's breathable and adjustable. The wig's weight is light, which makes it comfortable for extended wear. It also flatters a wide range of face shapes, making it quite versatile. On the downside, the delicate lace requires cautious handling, and for those new to lace fronts, application might take some getting used to. Additionally, the price point is on the higher end, so it's important to consider whether the premium features justify the investment. Speaking of price, this wig is definitely an investment piece. It aligns with the quality of top-tier wigs in the market, especially given the advanced lace technology and attention to detail. If you're someone who wears wigs frequently and values comfort, natural look, and durability, this could be worth the splurge. But if you're a casual wearer or on a tighter budget, there are more affordable wigs out there, although they might not match this level of breathability or the finesse of the lace front. Compared to other lace front wigs I've tested, the Raquel Welch Advanced French ss1422 stands out for its balance between comfort and natural styling potential. Some wigs offer great looks but compromise on comfort or ventilation. This one nails both. Of course, you'll find options with synthetic fibers at lower prices, but you may sacrifice the realistic hair texture or adjustable fit features. As for packaging and build quality, the product comes well protected and with clear care instructions, which is helpful. The lace and fibers have held up well through multiple wears and washes when cared for properly. But again, gentle maintenance is key. I haven't had direct experience with Hairuwear's customer service, but the brand generally maintains a solid reputation for support and quality control, which is reassuring when purchasing premium wigs. If you're looking for wig alternatives that are a bit more budget-friendly, brands like Raquel Welch's own lower-tier lines or some synthetic lace fronts from reputable brands like John Renaud or Noriko might be worth checking out. They won't have quite the same advanced lace or silicone stretch features, but can still offer good looks for less. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. To wrap things up, the Raquel Welch Wig Hairpiece, Advanced French ss1422, offers impressive comfort, natural appearance, and a highly customizable fit that makes it a strong choice for anyone serious about wig wearing. Its delicate lace front and breathable design elevate it above many others in this category. However, the price and care requirements might not suit every budget or lifestyle. This wig truly shines for frequent wearers who want that flawless, off-the-face look combined with all-day comfort. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic. If you've tried this wig or have your own thoughts, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what you think. And as always, thanks for tuning in. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.